Okay, we're videoing. Maiden in flight. We'll see how this works.
All right.
It's got a...
Now this airplane, I got it from the club. Never flown it. I did start it though. Everything seems to be in some sort of work. They got a lot of action on that tail, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
It does run.
Runs right. It starts right up.
I don't know where I got this engine from. It's a 20 OS.
Mm.
That's always a good sign.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know what's wrong. I forgot to throttle up.
Oh yeah, it's a little Spectrum, yeah.
Real cheap. It'll fly, bro.
It's a good day, no wind.
It's across the ground pretty good.
It's up in the air. There we go.
Bogging down on me.
Okay.
Damn. Kind of lumbersome up there. Doesn't have much authority.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's
Well, it looks like it's turning good.
I got good rudder on it, and also have good ailerons are fairly decent.
Uh-huh.
I might got to slide to the left a little bit. Look at that. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, funny thing is when you put it in a position, it kind of wants to stay there.
Mm-hmm.
When you cut loose, see, like if I push it left, it'll kind of stay there. It's, I don't know, it's weird.
Turns good.
Not bad. Well, it does fly.
Yeah.
I was surprised that it's only got a 20 on it.
Mm.
That's a little tiny little half this power of whatever else we got out here. Let's bring her on in here a little bit.
Uh-oh, it stalled on
I
him.
got a problem. I have no lift.
Okay, well, he had no lift to get it going again.
Yeah, I needed more elevator. I couldn't get enough elevator out of it.